লয়ে এখন নোটিফিকেশন ৰিলিজ কৰিছে regarding PG admission. So now ইয়াতে নোটিফিকেশনখনত দিছে keeping in view the present situation, the admission committee meeting held on 26 June 2020 has adopted the following resolutions to conduct the postgraduate admission process for the university departments and the affiliated colleges of Guwahati University for the session 2020-21, as some changes in the existing ordinance on admission of GU are required to cope up with the present pandemic situation. The Secretary, University Classes, Guwahati University has been entrusted to get necessary approval from the Honorable Vice Chancellor GU in this regard. So number 1, all fees relating to admission into different postgraduate courses of university departments and the affiliated colleges of Guwahati University for the session 2020-21 has been waived in accordance with the notification number Iman dated 10th June 2020 from Higher Education Department, Govt of Assam, except the application fee of ₹250. So yate admissioner karone amar agot jiman fees lagisile etia eku fees na lagibo karon dehor jetu situation hoi ase corona karone. So etia eku fees na lagibo, just application fee to lagibo jetu amount hoy ₹250. Number 2, there will be no common entrance test for admission into any postgraduate courses, both for the university departments and the affiliated colleges of the university for the session 2020-21. Admissions will be based strictly on the performance and eligibility criteria of the respective qualifying examination. So, agorba janeke entrance hoisil sob subjectot admission lobo karone. So ebar kono common entrance test no hobo aru etu completely apnalokor last examination er jetu performance aru eligibility criteria asil hetur upor bhitti kori admission hobo. Number 3, as per Executive Council resolution number Iman dated 25 January 2020, economically weaker section, that is 10% from the unreserved category, will be reserved into the different postgraduate courses for the university departments and the affiliated colleges of the university. Number 4, tentative date for opening of online admission portal 15th of July 2020 after 5 p.m. Necessary documents including marksheets, certificates, ASW, etc. can be uploaded at a later time also. So etu tentative date dise online admission portal karone 15 July para start hobo aru etu 5 tar para start hobo aru tate ama website documents khini jane marksheet, certificate ebur upload koribo lagibo. So in admission into the traditional program of study, 80% of total intake will be reserved for Guwahati University students. The remaining 20% will be reserved for other than Guwahati University students. So 80% seat amar Guwahati University under jikhini college ase hekhini studentor karone reserve thakibo aru 20% baki other university under jibilak college ase hibilakor para student thakibo. All other conditions as mentioned in the relevant ordinance on admission of GU will be followed. So further kono notification jetu paam ami hetu hobo guwahati.ac.in. So guys, please like and share this video and also subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.